Hey friends, if you encounter the issue Windows Troubleshooters not working on Windows, an error occurred while troubleshooting, then please watch this video. Basically, we have a lot of troubleshooters in Windows, built-in troubleshooters. If these troubleshooters cease to work, then follow the guidelines that I will help you with. These are the troubleshooters. So, first of all, check the status of the cryptographic service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the cryptographic service, right click on it, select restart if it is not already started. If it is, if it is started, if it's not already started, then you'll have to start it. The next solution is an SFC scan. Okay, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Okay, if it is not configured, you'll have to configure it first by turning on system protection and creating a restore point. Okay, but once a restore point has been created, after that, whenever you face these issues, you can recover your system to that restore point. Simply click on open system restore, click on next, choose a good restore point, click on next, click on finish, and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.